Hi everyone, this is ca.nikitapunjabi here and welcome to the channel. A lot of my clients often find it difficult to hire a full-time accountant. They often come to me and say, what should we do? This is because either they are startups or businesses who've got recently registered and they cannot afford to pay high salaries to their accountants. And secondly, considering the nature of their businesses, it might be difficult to find someone who will actually visit their premises and maintain their books of accounts. I mean, of course, not books of accounts, but it could be either on Tally or Marg or other offline softwares, whatever the clients are using. And on the other hand, accountants also find it really difficult because either the salaries are not decent, so it becomes really difficult to sustain in that job, to continue doing that job. So in this video, I'm going to give a solution that's going to help both businesses as well as accountants. So stay tuned till the end of the video. If you still haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. So let's begin. So do you, as a startup or a small business, do you really need to hire a full-time accountant? Well, if you find one, great. But there is also a way around it, which is much easier. And as the organization grows, you can decide whether or not you need a team of accountants. So what should you do? A lot of my clients face this issue, and what I do for them is I set up a cloud-based accounting software. It's mostly either Zoho Books or QuickBooks. Both these softwares are extremely easy to use. So irrespective of who you are, you could be a BBA graduate, you could be an engineer, you could be an MBA, no matter who you are, it's like filling out forms. So say you want to create an invoice, or you want to record a purchase bill, or you want to create expenses. All of these are like filling out forms. So for example, let's say you're filling out an expense form. What all do you need to know? You need to know what was the nature of expense. You need to know how did you pay for that expense, and you need to know to whom did you actually pay the expense. This information is just to be filled out and the software will do the rest of the work. Accountants, on the other hand, this is a huge opportunity for you. You could do courses on cloud-based accounting softwares, or you can just get some hands-on experience on them. And you can freelance in this domain. These startups or small businesses can actually hire part-time accountants. And this becomes a win-win in both the cases. And in this case, accountants don't even need to visit every day to the business. They just need to visit twice or thrice a month. Or let's say the organization is not very comfortable doing their own bank entries. So accountants can help them there. They can even work from home and visit 2 to 3 times a month if it's necessary. These cloud-based accounting softwares are easy to use, they're cheap, and they also provide a lot of automation. So for example, you want to send payment reminders to your client, you can automate that process. You want to send invoices on emails to your client, that can also be automated. GST filing is also easier on these softwares. So in a lot of aspects, these softwares are amazing, and especially for small businesses, they are a boon. Now, I had created a demo of Zoho Books in detail. I will make sure to drop a link to that demo in the description box down below. You can go through the video. If you have any questions, I'll answer those questions. For QuickBooks, I will be shortly creating such a video. I haven't created one as yet. If you want me to create one, please do let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll be happy to know if you're actually interested to watch that video. So there is a wave of change that is happening in accounting. And I think if we hop on that bus as soon as possible, we have a lot to gain, and there are several opportunities that might open for us. Even for small organizations who are using offline softwares and find it really difficult to keep a track and to maintain these softwares, this is an opportunity. Use this opportunity, move to a cloud-based version so that all the information can be made easily available and accessible to you. So hope I could provide a good solution to most of you watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to answer these questions. My name is Nikita and I'll see you guys in the next one.